This truck has all the clearance lights working, except for, we've got one right here in this side, and of course the main one there. And then on the passenger side, there's one here and there's one here, and this is the one that's bad. It's not working, so I'm gonna have to show you guys how to pull the grill and how to get the headlights out and replace that bulb. So this video is gonna apply for all trucks that are from 2004 and a half to 2007 that do not have these sealed beam headlights. So this is for the single piece headlights here. I've got a couple sockets we're gonna have to use here. It's a, this is gonna be a 7/32. A 5.5 millimeter will fit, but they seem to be kind of hard to find. So we're gonna be using a good old 7/32 American size. So you're gonna see these tabs down inside the grill. What I use is a very long trim tool. And what you're gonna need to do is go down in here and just kind of push down on the lip like that. And this one you're gonna see is now released. We're gonna have to release this one now. On the end, you can do this with a long screwdriver as well, or just reaching your arm down in there and doing it. So all four of these screws are out. I've gotten all the tabs released, and that grill just comes right out like that. That's your easy to replace grill here. Ford emblem is separate, so you can upgrade your grill if you like. I know some guys like to do that. We're gonna go ahead and take the headlight out. You got a couple more of these 7/32 screws. So you've got the two up here that are the 7/32, and I've got the whole 18-inch, 1/4-inch adapter here, because we're gonna have to go down underneath to get these bottom two screws out. There's your two screws that you can just barely see between the bumper lip. So we're gonna go ahead and stick this in here and work that one out. There's one, it'll drop down to the bottom and you can just grab it. And then your other one is hidden up in here even more. So the other screw is hidden up in here even more. Okay, so we get that out. I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, right when I pull that out, that side marker light's gonna start working. And you can see here, the bulb is working just fine. So I'm not sure if that was a connection problem or what. So after searching around for about 10 minutes trying to find my screw, I found it in the magnet of my light. So I guess the magnet saved me from a headache. I don't know, something like that. Anyway, I'll get this light put back in. One, two, 3, 4, 5. That's it. All right, we got that grill back in after changing that bulb. Simple job, but it does take a little bit more time if things are newer vehicles. So, all right, well, it's not perfect, but as always on Hanky Mountain Garage, it's better than it was. So we'll go get this truck inspected and be all legal to drive up and down the road again. Thanks for watching.